I do it because I want to be that empathetic, understanding, resourceful, and supportive immigration attorney that my family did not have when we first arrived in this country. Being the oldest child, I was very intimately involved in adult matters because I was the person who accompanied my parents. Oftentimes I was their interpreter, and I got a really close view at a young age of what it's like to have an attorney who doesn't seem that interested in your case, who makes you feel like you're just a number. And in my head, I always thought, like, I would love to be the opposite of that one day and be able to help people like my own family, like my community, like myself, you know, when I arrived in this country. And I also feel incredibly lucky to be in a position, a privileged position that I have, to be an attorney in this country, to be able to have my own business. You know, I don't ever forget that I'm very, very privileged. And I have a very important, you know, position in terms of advising people, advising them on their future, on their lives. I understand that responsibility, and it weighs on me. And I want to make sure that I am always doing the best for my clients, always putting them in a better position and making them feel like they're getting their money's worth with me, because I provide value, I provide support, I provide, you know, the 20 plus years of experience that I have as an attorney in different fields, not just immigration law. And I want them to feel that support. That's the biggest thing, that I'm with them from beginning to the end. Like, I'm not going to disappear on them. I'm not going to ghost them. I take a lot of pride in especially the hard cases, when we get those wins with cases that I've told clients, because I'm very honest, they deserve to know when it's a tricky case. I warn them, like, look, there's never guarantees, but some cases are even riskier than others. And I want to make sure the client fully understands that before signing on, you know, before deciding that they're willing to take this risk. And those cases are probably the most satisfying, the ones that, like, we just didn't know if it was going to work, and it works. So those are some of the reasons that I decided to become an immigration attorney.